LoanAtLast Honest Review, watch before using. Welcome to my honest review of LoanAtLast, a lending service that's gaining attention for offering short-term, high-interest loans to individuals with limited access to traditional credit options. LoanAtLast is designed for borrowers who need fast cash for emergencies or unexpected expenses, but may struggle to get approval from conventional banks due to poor credit history. Now, let's dive into the features and key aspects you need to know before considering this service. LoanAtLast provides small, short-term loans quickly, often approved and funded within one business day, which can be helpful if you're in a financial bind. However, this convenience comes at a high price. LoanAtLast charges exceptionally high APRs, typically well over 400%, making it one of the more costly lending options available. It's essential to remember that high-interest loans like these can quickly lead to debt if not handled responsibly. The application process is straightforward and accessible online, which is convenient. But it's also worth noting that LoanAtLast is a tribal lender, which means it operates under tribal jurisdiction. This jurisdiction allows them to apply specific laws, meaning they're not always bound by state lending restrictions. This setup can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it may make loans more accessible for those with poor credit, but on the other, it may make it challenging to seek legal recourse in the event of disputes. If approved, loan amounts generally range from $100 to $3,000, which can be handy for immediate expenses, but are often smaller than what traditional personal loans offer. Repayment terms are also short, typically requiring you to pay off the loan in just a few weeks or months, depending on your agreement. There are no prepayment penalties, so if you can afford to pay the loan off early, you'll save on interest. So, who should consider LoanAtLast? If you're dealing with a financial emergency and have no other options, LoanAtLast can be a temporary solution. However, due to the high APR and the risks associated with tribal lenders, this service should only be a last resort. If you have access to a traditional bank loan, a credit union, or even a payday loan with a lower rate, those might be more affordable alternatives.